Hi guys, hope all are doing well. In this video we are going to see about the addressables part 4 video. Continuation from part 3, if you have not watched part 1, part 2 and part 3, please watch that video and come. You will understand deeply about addressables. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, it will give lot of motivation to me. Each single subscribe will motivate me to put better videos. Thanks for all who had subscribed before. Let's dive into the video. Comment line number 26. In next line, create a local variable async operation handle as game object. Load the game object using load asset async. Now add a event trigger in below line to trigger whenever the download is complete. This all from previous videos of addressable. I will attach the link in description and card, you can use the link to watch that. Create two variables. One for percentage of download. Another for showing download percent in text. Now create AI enumerator function for download progress. Create a while loop, add a condition, whether download is done or not. Add a local variable status, to get the download status. Add another local variable to get the percentage of download. In our download progress global variable, multiply download size with 100, to get numbers from 0 to 100, otherwise it will be decimal. Now we give the download progress variable to the text as a string. Now call the IEnumerator function, where you started the download. Give parameter as object to download. Now create a circle in the hierarchy. In the child of the circle add a game object, and add text as a component. Now assign the text variable in the inspector. Now click play, to check once all is working or not in editor. When you click download button, download will finish quickly in editor because I already downloaded before. Now go to the addressable group, and click your group which you want to download. In the inspector you can change whether to build local path or remote path. If you want to know how to set remote path, check the video given in the description. Now clear the cache and build addressables. Now right-click on the asset folder, and click Show in Explorer. You can see the server data folder. If you go to the server data folder you can see a folder standalone Windows. Now go to the Linux virtual machine. If you want to know how to set up Linux virtual machine for server, click and watch the video in description. Go to File Explorer. Click on Computer. Go to var. www. HTML. Files. For you it may have different path after HTML. Now drag and drop the standalone Windows folder into this folder in Linux. It will take some time to copy. Go to the terminal and type ifconfig. Click on Enter. Go to the terminal and type ifconfig. You can see the IP address. Copy the IP address, and paste the IP address in the remote address in Unity. Now go to Linux machine. Start the server by typing, service Apache 2 start. Now go to Unity and make a build. After making build, double-click on exe to open the application. I already downloaded the addressable while testing before, so I will delete the downloaded folder which I am showing. Now click on download button in the exe which you opened. You can see the number increasing gradually, as it need to download 230 megabytes. I am fast forwarding the video till 95%. You can see it downloaded 100%. Load button get enabled. After it downloaded, click on load button. You can see the object loading in the screen. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any doubts, please put in comment section. Please give a like to this video if you gained some knowledge. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care all of you. Bye bye.